Use packaging that provide a barrier against light and air. And of course, implement first in, first out your inventory system. Microbial growth is another problem. Coconut flour is susceptible to microbial contamination, leading to spoilage. Good day, my name is Dele Ayimibo, and you're welcome to the Global Trade Tutor YouTube channel. For those that are familiar with our channel before, it used to be DBA TV, but the name has been changed to Global Trade Tutor, just to ensure that I find it easier to search when you are searching for the YouTube channel online. Now, so today we are discussing coconut flour. In recent times, we've been talking about how to export coconut flour from Nigeria. And today we are discussing how to export from Nigeria, how to export different products from Nigeria. But today we are beaming our searchlight on coconut flour. First of all, what's coconut flour? It's a nutritious alternative to the traditional wheat-based flour. It's known for its unique characteristics and health benefits. Of course, it's derived from dry and grinded copra of coconut, mature coconut, by the way. The production process involves removing the oil of the copra first, then drying it, and finally grinding it into a powder. It's a gluten-free alternative. Gluten-free alternative for flour. Some people have issue with gluten, so people are always looking for gluten-free products. Coconut flour is rich in dietary fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber that support the digestive system. It contains healthy fats, including medium-chain triglycerides, which are known for their quick energy release. Coconut flour also contains protein, vitamin, minerals, including iron and potassium. Now, what is coconut flour used for? It has absorptive property, meaning it can absorb a single amount of liquid. This makes it to be useful in pastries. Compared to ordinary wheat flour, coconut flour has a lower carbohydrate content, making it a popular choice for people that want low carbs. It's used in baking food. It's used when you need different flour flavor. And of course, because it's rich in fiber, it has a lot of health benefits. In terms of certification, naturally it's low in fat content, 8 to 10%. The moisture should be about 6 to 8%. Fiber content about 55 to 60%. Particle size below 200 micron. Remember, it's grinded, 200 micron. Of course, color range from white to light brown. And the aroma, a subtle, naturally sweet coconut aroma, is indicative of freshness. Let's talk about the potential of coconut flour. Which market buy coconut flour? What is the demand? First of all, the total demand is actually about $338 million. So the market is not so large. But who are the major buyers? France, 12%. Germany, 12%. Canada, 10.6%. United Kingdom, 6.4%. United States, 6%. So France, Germany, Canada, United States, United Kingdom are the major buyer of coconut flour. Now, what is the packaging requirement of coconut flour? Number one is the primary packaging. Coconut flour is typically packed in a moisture-resistant, airtight packaging to prevent spoilage and maintain freshness. Common primary packaging material include food-grade plastic bags, laminated pouches that provide a barrier against moisture, a barrier against light, and a barrier against contaminant. Ensure the packaging is securely sealed to prevent entry of moisture and contaminant and pests during transportation. A resealable packaging may be considered for consumer convenience and maintain product freshness during opening. Again, just like every other product, this is a processed product. So if you are exporting from Nigeria, you definitely need a NAFDAC. If you are exporting from Nigeria, you definitely need a NAFDAC, and as again required, a third-party certificate to ascertain that the quality of the product you are trying to ship is good enough. But beside that, you will still do your pre-export documentation, application form NXP, your pro forma invoice, your export license. All these are required for pre-export documentation. And in the course of clearing, you will get the single good declaration from custom and clean certificate of inspection from inspection agent. All these are required for pre-shipment, and for post-shipment, the shipping document, bill of lading, invoice, and packing list are, of course, still very much required. Now, before I stop on this, what are the common problems of coconut flour? Number one problem of coconut flour is moisture. Number one problem of coconut flour is moisture. Moisture. Coconut flour can absorb moisture, leading to clumping and the growth of mold during transit. You have to ensure that coconut flour is thoroughly dry before packaging. You have to ensure resistant packaging with proper seal to prevent moisture ingress. Inconsistent particle size is also an issue because this affects texture and the quality of the baked goods. Implement strict milling and sieving process to achieve uniform particle size. Another issue is contamination. Contamination with foreign matter, including dirt and other substances, can compromise product quality. How do you mitigate this? Implement stringent quality control measures during processing and packaging. Conduct regular equipment and maintenance to prevent contamination. You know, it's an oil-related product, so it also has issue with rancidity. Coconut flour contains natural fat that can turn rancid if not stored properly. So store coconut flour in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use packaging that provide a barrier against light and air. And of course, implement first in, first out in your inventory system. Microbial growth is another problem. Coconut flour is susceptible to microbial contamination, leading to spoilage. Implement a good manufacturing practice, ensure proper sanitation during processing, use appropriate preservative packaging techniques to inhibit microbial growth as much as possible. Color changes. Exposure to light and air can cause discoloration of coconut flour. Use packaging with UV protection, ultraviolet light protection, and oxygen barrier properties. Store the product in a dark environment to prevent changes in the color. Thank you very much for stopping by today on Global Trade Tutor. Has this video been of immense benefit to you? Give it a thumbs up. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you would like to join our community, click on subscribe button and notification bell to know when we upload the next video. By the way, the next video is going to be on soya beans. My name is Dele Ayimibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.